Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mohammed Periel Chana, Hikvision certified trainer. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Hikvision Ivms 4200 tool. We'll cover what Ivms 4200 is, how to add Hikvision devices, NVR, DVR, or cameras, and how to view live video from your devices within the same network. So let's get started. Ivms 4200 is a powerful video management software from Hikvision. It allows you to manage multiple devices like NVRs, DVRs, IP cameras, access control, and video intercom, all from your computer. Think of it as your central control hub for Hikvision devices. After downloading and installing Ivms 4200 from Hikvision's official website, open the program. The first time you run it, you'll need to set up a login password for the software itself. Make sure you remember this password because you'll need it every time you log in. Now let's add a Hikvision device. Go to the Device Management section. Click Add. Enter the device information. IP address, the IP of your NVR, DVR, or camera. Username and password, the one you set when activating the device. Click Add or Save. If your device and PC are on the same network, it will appear online immediately. If you don't know the IP of your device, use the Online tab or SADP tool to find it first. Once your devices are added, let's see how to view them live. Go to the Main View tab. On the left panel, you'll see your devices and channels. Drag and drop any camera channel into the viewing grid. And that's it. Now you have live video streaming directly on your computer. You can customize the layout, for example 1, 4, 9, or 16 cameras view. You can also record video directly to your PC from Ivms 4200. If you have multiple devices, organize them into groups for easy access. And that's how easy it is to use Hikvision Ivms 4200. Today we learned how to install and log in, add devices like NVRs and DVRs, and view live video streams. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more Hikvision training, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.